This is the instructional video for installation of the new TOTO concealed connection RX and SX washlets and the RP and SP wall-hung toilets with the optional auto flush. Build the required wooden frame support as shown in the manual and similar to the frame shown here. The final finished floor level, FFL, must be determined. The mounting bolt holes will be 12 and 5/8 inches above FFL. On the left side riser, mark a spot 11 and 3/4 inches above finished floor and 2 and 3/8 inches from the front edge of the frame. Drill a hole for the 1/2 inch water supply line for the washlet. This will equal a 16 and 1/8 inch rim height for the toilet bowl. Open the in-wall unit box and verify all components. Drill a hole in the frame baseboard for the waste riser. Then frame out according to the installation manual. Note: if installing into a metal stud wall, the exterior wooden members must run from floor to ceiling. Slide a 3-inch no-hub band over the waste riser, not included. Cut the provided outlet pipe to the height of 8 and 11/16 inches to center above the finished floor. Tighten and torque the no-hub band, ensuring the front face is square with the finished wall. Calculate the distance from the top of the frame baseboard to finished floor level and record the measurement as X. Lay the frame flat. And adjust so that dimension A is equal to 39 and 3/8 inches plus your X dimension. Tighten the bolts on the legs of the in-wall unit. Stand in-wall unit upright and attach the provided upper bracket. Reposition and secure the auto flush cable conduit if it is included. Secure the cable conduit with zip tie. Set the unit into the frame and level left to right and front to back. Mark 8 screw locations. Remove the unit and pre-drill 8 1/8 inch holes. Reset the unit into the frame and install the lower bracket. Snap it into place. Level unit. Use the 8 provided lag screws to secure unit to the wooden frame. Note that some of the screws will recess into the frame. Recheck that the unit is level. Connect incoming cold water line through the previously drilled hole. At this point in the installation, you will need to have installed electrical power from a GFCI circuit per local code. Dry fit the inlet pipe and outlet pipe mudguards. Thread in the provided mounting studs and apply the clear covers. Turn on the incoming water to fill the system. Check for leaks. Flush the feed line to the tank into a bucket. Reattach the supply and allow the tank to fill. Then turn off the incoming cold water. Check for leaks. Install the splash guard and push plate rough-in and snap into place. Install the push plate rough-in cover. Apply the provided template to the minimum 1/2 inch plywood and mark the plywood for all the necessary access holes. Remember to account for the finished floor level. Double-check all dimensions and then drill and cut openings. Be sure to pull the power cord and auto flush cord, if provided, through the auto flush cord conduit and expose 3/8 inch of the conduit. The rough-in phase is now complete. Now complete the finished wall and floor. Remove the push plate cover and cut the exposed section to the finished wall. Fold the pieces to break them away. Install the push plate receiver. Install the push plate panel. Open washlet box and check that all contents are present. Ensure the power to the previously installed electrical wire is off at the electrical panel. Cut the sheath back 1 inch. Trim each individual wire segment back to expose about 5/16 inch of bare wire and expose about 1.5 feet of cable. Install and crimp with the provided sleeves. Install the provided adapter pieces onto the cable as shown, using the correct rubber stopper for the outside diameter of the cable. Connect the 3 wires to the appropriately labeled receiver on the adapter and tighten the set screws to secure them. Use a wrench to secure the inner section of the adapter, but only hand tighten the finishing nut. Ensure that the incoming water is shut off at the source. Then use a 3/8 inch Allen wrench to remove the plug in the end of the washlet water supply outlet and install a 1/2 inch NPT nipple and the provided stop junction valve pointing straight up at between 2 3/4 inches and 3 1/2 inches to center from the finished wall. Remember to add an escutcheon. This is not provided. Unpack the toilet and check that all components are present. Remove the mudguards and mounting stud covers. Dry fit the flange pipe and inlet pipe, inserting fully. Mark the finished wall location on each pipe. Fully insert both pipes into the back of the toilet and mark to the back edge of the toilet. On each pipe, transfer the marked distance for the smaller pipe, L1, and the larger pipe, L2. Add 1/8 inch to that distance and mark that length from the end of the pipe and cut. Deburr and ream the pipe edges. Dry fit both the pipes and check the distance from the finished wall. This should be 1 3/4 inches on the inlet pipe and 1 7/8 inches on the outlet pipe. Using the sponge provided, apply seal lubricant to all surfaces and push fully into place. Adjust the mounting studs to 1 9/16 inches from the wall. Install the provided stud caps, leaving an 11/16 inch gap. Ensure that power cord and auto flush cord, if equipped, are passed through the back of the toilet and will not be pinched when installed. Set bowl so that the receivers engage the mounting caps. Push the bowl tight to the wall. Use the provided Allen wrench to tighten the mounting receivers. Ensure that the bowl is level. Caulk the bowl to the wall according to local code. Install washlet mounting bracket, then feed all cables from the washlet down through the bowl hole and secure washlet into place. Connect the water supply line from the washlet to the stop junction valve. If auto flush is being installed, locate the auto flush cable from the washlet and connect it to the cord from the in-wall unit. Locate the power cable from the washlet and connect it to the cable from the wall with the plug adapter that was installed earlier. Install the provided cable holder, securing the power connector. Be sure to snap the cylinder closed. Loop the power cord back over the power connector and secure in the provided clips. Mount the cable holder under the bowl and secure with the provided screw. Use the provided straps to secure the loose cables. Turn power on at the electrical panel. Open the cold water supply, and then open the stop and check for water leaks. Install batteries in the washlet remote. Apply pressure to the seat. Using a cup or similar, select the rear spray function on the remote to make sure it is functioning properly. Perform a full toilet flush from the push plate. Repeat test with the remote full flush. Check again for any leaks. Installation is now complete.